I wanted to see Babe Ruth because at the time, he was the most spectacular player in the world. One day, when the Yankees were here and he was going to play, I decided I should go and see him. At that time, I was probably 10. I lived in the Ville. I walked over to what is now Martin Luther King, what then was Eastern Avenue. I caught the Wilson streetcar and rode it down to Grand Avenue, where I could then catch the Grand Avenue streetcar and go north to Sportsman's Park, which was over in the north part of the city. As I got on, of course, the streetcar was pretty well packed with adults, but in one little seat, there was a little boy who had come up from South St. Louis, a white boy, and he was crouched down because with all these big people all around, he was a little worried. So I went over and sat next to him, and we both got strength from each other. When we got out to the park, we went around to where we always went, to the side of the park where the third base was, where they had a section for not old people. When we got ready to go in there, the man at the gate said, "No, no, no, around that way." So we walked around to the other side where the bleachers were. When we got there, he looked at us and said, "No, no, no, back around that way." So when we got back around the other way, the guy said, "Now you didn't know what you were doing." And he reached down and got the little white boy, pulled him in, and told me to go around to the other side. That was the first time I knew anything about that.